I came across this pan at a store and the steak on there was just screaming my name. I had to buy it. I had to buy it and cook the steak for myself. I washed it, cleaned it up, seasoned it with oregano, salt, black pepper, and some chili flakes. I flipped it to the other side and seasoned it as well. Now that's some goodness cooking. Then I went over to the pan, greased it with oil, and let it come to a certain temperature for a little while. When the oil was hot, I went ahead to put the steak in the pan, and it went. Now that's some goodness cooking. I let it cook for about 5 minutes and I added some rosemary for flavor. I flipped it on the other side and allowed it to cook until it was well done. It was hot and chewy and so good.